In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the One Player Sleep plugin on your Aternos server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load into your Aternos server like you normally would, then go over here where it says software and press on this green button that says change. And then you want to go ahead and select on spigot/bucket right over here. And this is good because you're going to need this in order to install plugins, which include the One Player Sleep. So please go ahead and select on it just like so. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and wait for it to load in and select on your Minecraft version. For this video, let's work with 1.21.11 right over here. Then afterwards, you want to select on install just like so and wait for Spigot to be installed on your Aternos server. Once you see the check mark, then you will see this option that says plugins. So go to the left menu and select on plugins right over here. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up One Player and then Sleep just like so. Press on enter. Then you guys have multiple different options. But the point is, you want to make sure that it does work for Spigot. So as you're able to tell, it is going to get the job done. So let's select on One Player Sleep. Then you guys can go ahead and install the most recent version. And the good thing about this plugin is that it's relatively simple. So even though it's all the way back in 2021, it's still going to work to this very day. But then now that your plugin is added, then you can go ahead and begin your server like you normally would and begin using it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.